Get it? Oh, uppercut, uppercut, uppercut. Oh, oh, oh. Woo!
That's amazing.
Hey folks, Adam here again, and I have to share my absolute love of the Oculus Quest 2. I know I've done videos about this before, a beginner's guide and some live streaming, but guess what? This thing is absolutely incredible. I have to show you some actual gameplay and use of the Oculus Quest 2. Now, what makes it so incredible? Now, first off, it is completely standalone. You don't need a computer. You don't need your phone tied in. You can use it just using the Quest, nothing else. That's incredible. It's got the sound where you can hear it. You've got the sight. If you have a Wi-Fi connection, you are good to go. Super easy to use, super easy to learn. Now, my buddy Watson, he's doing a boxing game with it, and he's absolutely loving it. Amy, she got into all the workout stuff, and there's one that's called Beats, where you're using lightsabers to get your exercise in. There's one where you're boxing to get your exercise in, and one where you learn to pop and lock and dance to get your exercise in. I absolutely love that. Last night, I took a tour of Thailand, walking tour of Thailand. Then I took a tour of Chernobyl, and I did London and Paris, little 5-minute videos that take you to all the cool things, and that's all absolutely free included, that you could do all these things that I did. Now there's tons of video games, and you can use this and play video games, and that's incredible too. So many different things that you can do with your Oculus. I logged into my Amazon Prime account, could watch my movies on what appeared to be a giant screen like a movie theater, and it actually puts you into the environment where you feel like you're sitting in a movie theater. You can sit in your bed, and suddenly your entire bedroom appears through this to be a movie theater. This is the most life-changing product I've ever seen. The biggest piece of technology, and there's a reason that Facebook changed their name to Meta, because they're inviting you into the metaverse. Like literally, when I was in Chernobyl last night, it was a video, a 360 camera. I could look around and I could see the reactor, and I felt like I could touch the reactor, and it was real footage. It's incredible. You can get on YouTube, you can get on Netflix, you can get on Amazon Prime, you can get on Disney, Hulu, all of those. You can log into your accounts and watch 360 videos, 180 videos, or even standard videos. Imagine you put this on, say you like the old movie, The Blues Brothers. You put this on and you watch The Blues Brothers in a live, big screen with surround sound, just by putting this on, and it feels like you're watching it in the movie theater in HD. It's absolutely incredible. There's nothing like it. You can interact with the menus. You can talk to people. You can have a conference meeting. Everybody puts these on. You walk into a conference room and everybody is working together. You can tie it into your friends. Like Amy's just getting hers. Watson's getting his, because everybody I've introduced this to wants one. Everybody I've introduced and I've shown this to has borrowed mine, has bought one. I borrowed my buddy Matt's. I had no interest in gaming. I had no interest in anything like this until I used it. And then I bought it the next day. It's that revolutionary. But yeah, you can have two people and you can have lightsaber battles and not even be in the same room. It's incredible. You can do workouts together and not be in the same room. You have conference calls and not be in the same. You can have web meetings that are actually, you see the person right in front of you. This is a revolutionary piece of technology. It is the coolest thing I've ever seen, and I absolutely love it. It does have some neat aspects to it. You can adjust like the focal length for your particular eyes. Need it closer together, further apart. It adjusts for your eyes. You can fit your glasses under here. There's so many fun things that you're absolutely going to love. So yeah, a fantastic product. This is the biggest thing. This is the biggest product that Facebook has ever come out with. Volume right here, power on and off, USB charging. You've got your left and your right controllers. Right, trigger, A and B, start button, and your little wheel thing. Yeah, that's absolutely incredible. So if you're looking for a revolutionary piece of technology, whether it's a gift or a gift to yourself, this one is going to rock your world. I can't say enough about it. It's the Oculus Quest 2. I was so excited about it, I couldn't, as soon as I used it, I ordered one. And Amy, as soon as she used mine, she ordered one too. It's incredible. All right, folks, take my word for it. This is the greatest product that I've had the opportunity to test in my lifetime. Oculus Quest 2, you're gonna love it. All right, folks, showing you the up close, see what it feels like to actually get this. A lot of people love this portion of the video because they feel like it's theirs and they get to see what this is like to actually unveil this super awesome product. Holy cow, I'm very excited about this. Okay, interesting. Now, I've been using my buddy's Oculus now for a couple days. I've on and off for several months. I love his Oculus, and I finally just decided I was going to buy my own. And I kept like kind of waiting, thinking, oh no, I don't need it. And I just borrow his at least once a week. So a couple days for every week. So I'm very excited to test it out, give it a good run for its money. And yeah, the Oculus is the cat's meow. It's the bee's knees. So I guess if you haven't used it before, these are your little trigger guys, and you can box with them, sword fight, whatever you may be doing. This guy's gonna go right on your head, and that's fantastic. And you can see the little cameras. I did learn that the Oculus works best indoors, not outdoors. It needs a ceiling for the lasers and everything to identify where you are and the height and everything. But yeah, I guess this is gonna be the charging. But a lot of times I get these things just because I want to do product reviews. But it turns out I just wanted this because it is so flipping amazing. I cannot stress how much I bought this for me. Paid my own cash, and I will tell you that companies send me stuff all the time. I didn't care if they're going to send it to me or not. I just wanted this. So I bought it. I love it. I'm going to charge it. I'll play with it. But if you're thinking about getting an Oculus Quest 2, you should, because they're incredible. All right, thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.